Hi guys, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss grade 6 CBSE English chapter, and the chapter is The Monkey and the Crocodile. So it's a very interesting chapter where the two animals make friends and what drama takes place in their friendship, how does the monkey interact to it. So it's basically a message that has been conveyed that do not trust anyone blindly. And if you happen to fall in that trap, then stay calm and use your wisdom, use your knowledge. Let's get started. Once on the bank of a river, a monkey made a home for himself in a tree laden with fruit. He lived in it happily, eating to his heart's content, the fruit of his choice. So laden means loaded, or you can say filled. So monkey lived on a tree which had so many fruits on it. It was right across the bank of the river, at the corner of the river. And he was able to have fruits as per his heart's desire, as many fruits as he wanted to have. The monkey was happy but lonely and wanted a companion to talk to and share the fruits with. But there was no one around, not even another monkey. Till one day a crocodile appeared on the riverside. "Hello there," said the monkey. "Do you live in this river? Would you like to eat some fruit?" So though the monkey could have as many fruits as he wanted, but he didn't have any friends to talk to. He felt so lonely. He needed company. There was no one around, not even another monkey. So finally one day he turned lucky and a crocodile came on the riverside where he lived. So next what happens? The monkey asked the crocodile, he talked to the crocodile softly and he asked, wished him good morning and said, "Do you live in this river? Would you like to have some fruits? Are you here to search for food? Would you like to have fruits from my tree?" "Good morning," said the crocodile politely. "I did come here in search of food for myself and my wife. Nice of you to offer me fruit." So now the crocodile answered. He greeted him good morning and told him that yes, you're right. I'm here in search of food. Not only for myself, but also for my wife. And I thank you that you offered me. You have this gesture that I can have fruits from your tree. So he expressed his gratitude for offering him fruit. The monkey pulled out some from the nearest branch and threw them down. The crocodile found them delicious. "Thanks," he said. "May I have some on my next visit?" "Certainly, as many as you like, and some for your wife too," said the monkey. "Do come again. I'm rather lonely here." So plucked basically means to pick off or to remove, to pull. So now the monkey pulled out some of the fruits for the crocodile from the nearest branch, because the tree was having so many fruits. So he just pulled them and threw it down to the crocodile. The crocodile found it very delicious He thanked the monkey for it and asked if he could have fruits on his next visit too. The monkey answered in affirmative. He said, "Yes, of course, as many as you like. And not only you. I would rather be happy to give fruits for your wife. Please visit me anytime you want. I'm all by myself. I'm lonely here. It'll be good if I have your company." The crocodile visited the monkey regularly and ate fruits which his host means who's like giving the party giver, or the person who's there to entertain you. The host threw down. The presenter of the party, the organizer, you can say. He took some home for his wife. The monkey and the crocodile were now the best friends. They talked and were never tired of talking. They talked about birds and animals and the villages nearby and the difficulties villagers faced in raising good crops for lack of rain. So now what happens is that the crocodile was very happy and he got the permission to visit the monkey as and when he liked, as and when he pleased. So he started to visit the monkey regularly, started visiting him daily. And he used to eat fruit thrown by the monkey. And not only he ate it by himself, but also took some for his wife. So the monkey and the crocodile, they became good friends. They talked endlessly. They were never tired of talking. The topics that they would generally choose on were about the birds. They talked about the birds, the animals, about the villages, the people living in the village. And not only that, in fact, they also discussed about the challenges in raising crops because there was less rain that year. So how the villagers were facing that problem and how were they dealing with it. One day, the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual. His wife was annoyed, waiting, managing the little crocodiles that had just been hatched. Hatched means it's a process of giving birth to the young ones, right? Or you can say process of emergence of or coming out of a young baby from an egg. So they had babies. She said, "Who is this friend of yours you are so fond of?" "Oh, he's a very nice monkey," he replied. "He lives on a fruit tree. He sends fruit for you every day. You don't expect me to climb trees, do you?" So now one day the crocodile got late. He was talking to the monkey as usual. On any other day he would continue to talk. And this day he stayed back a bit longer. So his wife got angry. Crocodile's wife was very angry. She kept waiting and was really tired of taking care of these little crocodiles alone. So now as he came back, she asked him, "Who was that friend whom you love so dearly? Whom you give preference over and above your family, your kids, your wife?" So the crocodile said, "Oh, no, it's just the monkey. The monkey who lived on the fruit tree. The monkey who sends you fruits every day. I mean, I'm sure you don't expect me to climb the tree to get fruits. It's he who gives me fruit every day for us, for our family." "A nice monkey, I'm sure," replied the wife with obvious sarcasm. Now, what is sarcasm? It means you use words that mean opposite of what you really want to say. So that means I can say it is used to insult someone. If you ask me, this monkey should be my food. I want to eat his heart so much. What a foolish thing to say, shouted the crocodile. I can't kill a friend, though I won't mind a monkey occasionally for a change. Foolish means stupid, brainless, and occasionally means sometimes. You bring him here, ordered the wife. I want to see him so you can eat him. Never, declared her husband. So now his wife, she started to question the crocodile. Is he a nice monkey? I mean, I'm sure he might be. And she was basically making fun of his friend. And she wished to have the monkey for food. She said, I want to eat the monkey. Because crocodiles, they are carnivorous, they eat other animals. So she said, I want to eat this monkey, and especially I wish to eat his heart, since you're telling me he's a nice monkey. To this, crocodile reacted. He shouted. He said, what a brainless thought, what a stupid idea. I can't kill my friend. He's my friend. Had he not been so good, or he wouldn't have been my friend, it wouldn't have affected me. I would definitely like to have a monkey for a change of taste. But now, since he's my friend, I can't get the monkey and I can't serve it. So his wife forced him to get the monkey to her so she can eat him. But the crocodile refused with anger. Let's see what happens next. But that we'll check in the next class. In case you like this session, please let me know. Thank you.